Kevin drove 95 miles to meet his friend Amanda at an amusement park. Amanda drove 125 miles to get to the same amusement park. Given that Kevin's truck uses 1 gallon of gasoline every 15 miles and Amanda's hybrid car uses 1 gallon of gasoline every 40 miles, approximately how many more gallons of gasoline did Kevin's truck use than Amanda's car to reach the amusement park? That is certainly a mouthful. Let's just take this one step at a time. Let's start off with Kevin. Okay, so Kevin drove 95 miles. I'm just going to scribble that down, 95 miles. And I know that on 1 gallon of gasoline, he can go 15 miles. So I'm going to multiply by 1 gallon for every 15 miles. That's Kevin's gas mileage, or the gas mileage of his truck, rather. So I'm going to cancel out the miles now when I multiply. The miles will cancel. And I'm left with 95 gallons over 15. 95 over 15 gallons. Okay? Now, if you have a calculator, you can certainly put that in your calculator. If you don't, you're going to need to work this out by hand. But if you take 95 and divide by 15, you're going to get around 6.3. So 6.3 gallons. That's the amount of gasoline that Kevin's truck used to get to the amusement park to meet Amanda. Okay? And now let's do the same for Amanda. Amanda drove 125 miles. So I'm going to write 125 miles times, and her car for every 1 gallon can go 40 miles. So 1 gallon for 40 miles. And I will multiply, and you'll see that the miles will cancel out again. And have an answer left in gallons. So 125 over 40 gallons. And again, if you have a calculator, feel free to put it in. If you don't, you're going to have to work it out by hand. You're going to get something around 3.1. 3.1 gallons. And the question is, where is it? It is right here. How many more gallons of gasoline did Kevin's truck use than Amanda's car to reach the amusement park? Well, I need the difference of these two values right here. So 6.3 minus 3.1 is around 3.2. F is the closest answer, 3. I would pick it and quickly move on with confidence.